Greetings of the day, dear student. Now we are going to see how to attend online examination for summer 20. As you all are supposed to attend an examination for summer 2020 online, and for that purpose, we civil engineering department have created one mock test to understand what exactly the process will be there and how the examination is going to be conducted. So just look and follow the same things while giving the mock test as well as all the examination papers. Uh, According to your schedule, whichever sent you on your group, the link will be shared on the particular schedule. For example, if I am having my examination at 11 a.m. Of any of the subject, so just prior to the time or before 5 minutes, you will get a message like this on your group of the examination, mentioning that which code or which subject's link is there. So particular students, whoever are supposed to attend that examination, supposed to be attend this examination, so you can just click on the link. Once you click on the link, the another particular window will pop up on your browser where it will be mentioned that which subject and which code is there. That will be mentioned over here, and obviously it is mentioned that it is MSBT summer 2020 examination. As I am attending a mock test, so it is mentioned that civil department mock test November 2020. So what you are supposed to do is that once you check out these particular things, you have to start your examination. Every examination you are attending, that will be of 1 hours, containing 40 questions, in which the 30 questions will be considered for your mark scheme. And that's why you have to click on the start. And once you click on the start, you are particular supposed to enter your name. For example, I will write down my name, your enrollment number. For example, I'm having my enrollment number as 0011520000. So I will enter this one. As soon as I enter this particular thing, I have to start my quiz. Keep in your mind that the name mentioned on your hall ticket and enrollment number, that should be correct as per your hall ticket. After entering this detail, you have to start your quiz. So once you start your examination, here you can see that you will have a time period of 1 hour in your case. As this mock test is there, so I have kept only 10 minutes and 10 questions are being there. So you can see your examination remaining time periods from this tab. You will have obviously the subject name on the top, and you will have all the questions below. Or here you can see that how many of the question you have attended out of how many. So for example, I will start to give particular. Okay, I have selected one, so it is mentioned that answer one is given. Something I'm clicking on the questions. So just see that. Okay, after completing this all, you can wait for the completion of the time period. Or else, if you have completed all the answer, if you see here that you have attended all the questions and you don't have any of the confusion in the answers, and you are supposed to end the examination, so simply go on the this location, and after you are getting your last question, you will have a submit button. So you have to just click on the submit button so that your examination will be submitted. Okay, so you will get this particular tab that submitted, thanks for completing this quiz. It means that if you are getting this message, it means that you have completed your examination in all respect, and your records are being recorded at our department. So this will be the simple procedure for your examination. Just right now we are sharing a mock test link for you, so you can just go through it and simply attend the examination and understand what will be the procedure for attending the examination. Okay, hope you have understood all the things. If you are having any of the questions, you can just put the comments in comment box below, and you can also ask if any of the doubt is there. Thank you very much.